Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I will explain about Temu's free gift. So you've probably seen the Temu's free gift pop-up claiming you can get free products by inviting friends. But is this real or just another scam? In this video, I will break down how it works, the truth behind it and whether you should trust it in 2025. So, Temu's free gift promises free items if you can complete a set of tasks. Here's what you usually have to do. Click on a free gift link in the app or from a friend. Invite a certain number of new users to Temu and have your invited users download the application and sign up. Once you hit the required invites, Temu claims you will receive your free product. Now, at first glance, it sounds great. But here's where things get shady. So it's nearly impossible to win. The number of invites keeps increasing, making it unrealistic. And your friends must be new users. If they have already signed up, they don't count. Also, there are some hidden terms. Some users claim after meeting the requirements, Temu still didn't send the free item. Also, you are sharing personal data just for a chance of free gift. Now, technically, it's not a scam because some users do receive gifts, but the program is misleading and designed to make Temu go viral without actually rewarding most people. Some lucky users have received items, but most users fail because Temu keeps raising the invite count. If you're okay with inviting tons of people and don't mind a higher failure rate, you can try it. But don't expect any easy win. Instead of wasting time on this, check out Temu's real discounts and coupons for actual savings. So is Temu's free gift worth it? Probably not. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more scam breakdowns. See you in the next video.